If you want to know how to get silky, straight hair with Infra products, then stay tuned. I am using the Infra Moisture Therapy Shampoo, and this shampoo lathers very well. It has a nice smell and kind of a thick consistency. I love it. I am using their thermal protective treatment, and it kind of has a thick consistency, and this leaves my hair so silky. I love it. And after that, I'm going to get up in the dryer for 15 minutes. Right now I am applying the Keratin Mist. It's a leave-in straightening treatment, and I really love this, and I'm just applying it and I'm combing it out. I am applying my Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray, and this is a thermal protectant before I blow dry. And I'm using my Pro blow dryer to blow my hair. It has a nozzle on it. I don't have the attachment to comb it, so I just have to come out with my dimming brush. I am 3 months post relaxer, and I actually went 2 weeks ago to get my hair cut. So I'm just going to go through each section and blow dry my hair and just take my time a little bit. So right now I'm going to use my Silk Infusion, and this is going to make my hair silky, and I'm just going to only apply a dime size. Do not use a whole lot because it will make your hair like oily and weigh your hair down. A little goes a long way. So right now I'm just parting my hair in 4 sections and getting it ready to apply heat. Right now I'm just taking small sections and getting ready to apply heat, and I'm using my flat iron. I'll have it up in the description box. And this is the final look. I decided to put a few flexirods in and let them sit for a few hours, and this is the result.